Want to learn how to buy and sell crypto on Binance? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to trade on the spot market, even if you're brand new. Let's make your first trade today. Spot trading is the most basic way to trade crypto. You buy a coin at the current market price and it's instantly yours. Unlike futures, there's no leverage or risk of liquidation. It's perfect for beginners. To get started, log into your Binance account and go to the spot trading section. Here's what you'll see: a price chart, order book, and the buy-sell panel at the bottom. Don't worry, we'll break it all down. First, choose a trading pair. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin using USDT, search for BTUSD. Make sure you have the base currency, in this case USDT, in your spot wallet. A market order lets you buy or sell instantly at the current price. A limit order lets you set your desired price, but it may take time to execute. For beginners, I recommend using market orders for simplicity. Let's place a market buy. Enter the amount you want to spend, double-check the details, and click Buy BTC. Done! You've just made your first spot trade on Binance. Now let's try selling. Go to the Sell tab, choose how much of your crypto you want to sell, and confirm the transaction. Your USDT will go back to your wallet instantly. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't rush your orders. Always double-check the trading pair. Be aware of price volatility. Take your time and trade small amounts at first. To recap, go to the spot section, pick a trading pair, choose market or limit order, place your buy or sell. Spot trading is simple when you know the steps. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner crypto guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And check out our next video on setting stop-loss orders on Binance.